Good morning everyone. Welcome to another vlog for our first day in Florida.
Yeah.
How did you sleep, ladies?
Good. And I was lazy.
You were lazy.
Me too.
You were up quite early.
What time was Madison up?
Madison started trying to wake up at 4 a.m. and she was busy pulling the curtains, trying to open them, and I had to jump up and stop her. So not quite as lazy, but
That's
Isabel.
the time difference for you though, isn't it?
Yeah. Isabel, you've just woken up, haven't you?
Yeah.
What time's it up? But just
And my
before
mouth is
8:30.
drooling.
Okay.
No.
Too much information.
And that always happens, so I keep on drooling.
Yeah.
So,
My teeth, please.
you can brush your teeth after breakfast. So we thought we would share a morning view of our amazing view. So ladies, can you pull the curtains?
Yeah.
Yeah? Madison, can you
Madison,
pull them
the
open?
curtains?
Pull it
Pull it
open.
open.
Curtain.
Other way.
Other way.
There we go. Look at this view.
So
So you got the water on that side.
Yay.
And the pool here.
Wow.
Happy holidays, guys.
Nice way to wake up in the morning.
It's
isn't
amazing. It's not even supposed to rain today either.
Yeah.
Woo woo.
That's
It? And Isabel's made
amazing.
her bed already, hasn't she?
Yeah, she has. And Daddy tried to.
And what the girls say they want for breakfast?
What do you want for breakfast?
Cookie.
Cookies. Madison? Where is she? Madison? What would you like for breakfast?
Cereal.
Which one?
Which one would
And
you like?
that one.
That one.
And why did you say that one? You say because it looks like
A rainbow.
a rainbow,
It's like a
doesn't
rainbow.
it? And Isabel's eyeing up the cookies.
Yes, the cookies, the cookies.
I want the original cookies.
Which ones?
The original
Ah. So we have our desired breakfasts. We've got some cookies
Yeah.
and we've got some Lucky Charms. Do you want to try them? See what you think?
cookies. I think they'll have a nice healthy breakfast.
A bowl of cookies.
Yep.
A bowl of cereal.
You're going to try it then?
No, baby.
Oh, excuse me.
I'll get you a drink.
My throat.
Yeah, I'll get you a drink.
What
What's
do
it
you
like,
think?
Madison?
A unicorn.
Yeah, is it nice?
No.
Yeah?
A unicorn's yummy.
Oh, fantastic. What do you think about your cookies, Isabel?
Wow, two
Good.
rainbows.
2 rainbows.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got a feeling we're going to have a line of
Yeah.
cereal.
I was going to put some milk in, but maybe not.
No.
Right, well, I'm nipping down to go and get our refillable drinks. I've got my rather fetching mosquito band on. Oh yeah, I'm going to go down and get some drinks for me and Mummy. I'm going to go and get Isabel one of these drinks as well, because she loves it. She loves the Sprite Zero Cherry. So... Right, I picked up a little stray on the way back from from getting the drinks. Well, he's a prisoner, but he's come in to have some breakfast. Haven't you? What are you having, Riley?
Lucky Charms.
You had some Lucky Charms, aren't you? Yeah. And you've had a little bit of pink donut, haven't you?
Yeah, it's very nice.
And Isabel's got her wish. What have you got, Isabel?
Do you see this?
Well, both. What have you got? What have you got to drink?
Well, it's a cherry Sprite and some water.
Yeah. And you got your pink donut as well, haven't you? Yeah. And Nana's just coming over as well. She's going to come over and have some breakfast as well, isn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, speak of the devil, she's just coming in. Right, ladies, -1 because Mummy's just quickly doing the final few things. We ready to go?
Yeah.
Madison has got on today. Come here, Madison. B dungarees, and these used to be Isabel's, didn't they?
Yeah.
And now Madison's a big girl, and she's got them, hasn't she?
And it's got glasses.
Let's see your glasses. Wow, they're cool, aren't they? Your sunglasses, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're nice, they are.
I bought sunglasses.
Where are yours? I don't know where they are.
Those were mine.
Oh, they were yours, weren't they? Yeah. And look at you, Isabel. Looking very, very summery today, aren't you? And Mummy's got a Universal t-shirt on, ready to go.
Yeah.
Right.
All good to go?
We all good to go?
Well, no,
Yeah.
you must have shoes on. But
All fed and watered?
Yeah.
We thought we'd have breakfast here because it would be quicker than getting to the park quicker today. Because where are we going later on tonight, Mummy? Yeah, Margaritaville tonight. We've got that booked for 6:30. So we're going to hit the parks and we may get a cheeky... What we're going to get on the way into the park, Isabel, maybe. What did we say we might get? A voodoo donut, yeah. Even though they've just eaten. But we're on holiday, so... Should we go and get Nana and Riley? Because they're both ready, aren't they?
Yep.
Come on then, let's go.
Yay!
We all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm ready for that heat, but it's ready for me.
You ready for the heat, Nana?
Ready for
No?
I'm ready for the heat.
You're ready? Well, we'll see it when we believe it.
I'm ready.
Who's excited?
Me.
Which one do you think it is? I think Secret Life of Pets. Which one do you reckon it is, really? Oh no, the first one. We've all seen it. He's spitting at you, Riley. Madison, what's that on the bus? It is Secret Life of Pets, isn't it? Well, we're off the bus, aren't we? And Madison's bounce seems to have come down a little bit now she's felt that Florida heat. You okay, Madison? Yeah? Riley's still got his bounce and Isabel's still got hers. We'll see how long it lasts. You still got your bounce? What do you think about a voodoo donut, Nana? Yeah? Got to be done, isn't it? Oh, what was that?
We need the energy.
The energy. Oh yeah, but no other reason.
No.
No other reason, just the energy, yeah?
Sugar, you know.
Yeah. We made quite a good time in it. What time is it? It's about 20 to 11. So, yeah. Come in well. Let's get on some rides. Oh, advertising. What ride are you most looking forward to going on, Nana? Come on, Hagrid, yeah. It's got to be Hagrid's on Velocicoaster, hasn't it? What about you, Mummy? The Mummy? Oh, Isabel can go on the Mummy this time, can't she? Yeah. Be good, wouldn't it? Yes, yeah, try and get some more. Isabel, where are we? Yeah. Right, the first stop. Well, what have you smelt, Nana, that you're interested in another day?
Bombs. Never
Yeah.
seen them before. They look really nice.
And the smell was amazing, wasn't
I
it?
was looking, thinking, oh, I like the look of. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't know where I am at some point in the day.
You'll be at Cinnabon. Right, we're just gonna got a voodoo donut, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've come up to try and find some shade to sit in. So we've just come up from down there, haven't we?
Yeah.
And these are the donuts that we've got today. Here's Mummy's. Mummy's got one of the it's called seasonal one. It's called Oasis. It's got, as you can see, a shark, some sand, nice little thing. And do you know what filling it's got inside?
No.
Pina colada. That's why I had to get it for Mummy. So Mummy, do you want to grab your one? And then Riley has got.
We've got a shared.
Do you want to grab it out?
Paper.
And
Got
then
a shared
I'll.
bit of paper, so.
Yeah, and then I'll grab the other ones out. Riley has got mango what's it called?
Mango tango.
Mango tango.
That's nice.
Isabel and Madison have got this one, which has got raspberry, I think raspberry or strawberry sauce inside.
Yeah.
I've got the maple bar. And Nana, what have you got? Nana's got the same as Mummy. A
Pina
red shark.
colada.
The Oasis, haven't you, with pina colada in. So we're going to tuck into these? Yeah, Isabel, have you seen yours? Come and have a look.
Sorry.
Where is it? There he is there. Does that look good? Madison, come and have a look. Come and see it quickly. Should we come and see it? Here it is there, the white one. Does that look good? Yeah, yours looks amazing, Riley. Really big, doesn't it?
Yeah, really big.
Let's tuck in. You ready, Riley?
Yeah,
How's your voodoo donut?
so nice.
Yeah?
Best one I've had.
Yeah, you said you're going to have that every time now, didn't you? And Isabel tried some of the filling because it's mango, and
Yeah.
Isabel loves mango.
Yeah.
So she wants that again, doesn't she?
Yeah,
And where are we going into now? Sorry, what did you say? You get what?
you get loads of filling in.
Loads of filling. Oh, that's
Yeah.
really good, isn't it? Where are we going into now?
Universal.
Universal Studios. Right, well, we're in the parks, aren't we?
Yeah,
Very hot, isn't it, Riley?
so hot, yeah.
We got this thing on of Nana's trying to cool down a little bit. And these.
Yeah, they're really good. Ah!
And it's got a fan on the top as well, so. Oh, nice stuff.
Yeah, it's really good.
Very nice. Yeah, we just went to pick up the little pass things, and then we're gonna head up to see the new Minions Land,
Yeah.
which we're very excited about.
Yeah, I haven't seen
One of it.
anything about that.
No, well, all of us can go on that as well because it's for all heights, and Madison can go on that. So
Yeah.
we'll go on. I think it's called like Villain Blah. I'm rubbish with the names. There's no point in asking them what names it is. I don't know what names they are. But yeah, we're gonna go and do that because we can all do that. Maybe go on the Minions after.
Yeah.
Maybe go on Rip Ride Rocket.
Yes.
So we'll say as it's just in the doorway.
Yep.
And then I know Isabel wants to go on Jimmy Fallon, which is just past there. So, all like Jimmy Fallon, don't we?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, have a nice chill morning. Just getting ready and everything. So we're all trying to get to grips with everything, aren't we? Been drinking plenty. Drank all your drink before we got through the turnstiles because they were quite big this morning.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, we're all good, all happy,
Yep.
and nearly ready to hit the rides, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, Madison, we got all what we needed to do in. Oh, look at you. What ride are we going to go on?
The Minions.
Yeah, the Minions.
Yeah.
It's called, well, no, I'm not going to try that. It's like a villain blast. We've got to blast all the baddies from the Minions. Does that sound good? Yeah, should we go and get a gun? Come on then, let's go. You excited, Isabel? I'm excited about this one. We don't know anything about it. You haven't watched anything, have you?
No.
Have you been watching about it, Nana? No?
Yes.
She has.
Yes.
Nana.
On TV.
Naughty Nana. Cheats again. Like on the plane.
Billy here.
Right. Let's go round to the ride.
I know it's hard to believe.
Mummy, we found a pair of boots for Nana, haven't we?
What do you mean you found some? They're mine.
They're Nana. They're your boots, Nana, aren't they?
Attention all to the top of the blast. With the left-handed blaster, please keep the first available and continue moving forward. All blasters are the same. The brand blasters will only come.
We all ready? Show us the best pose. Oh. Look at you. Oh, Nana's got a red one. Look at it. Oh, very nice, Isabel. Madison, show me your gun. Wow, you got a little one for you, haven't you? Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? It snaps, doesn't it? Keep going then. Right, we've just done the new Minions ride, didn't we? Which was lovely because we could all do it together, couldn't we? Which was really good. And Madison got given a special little gun, didn't you? They're quite heavy.
Are they heavy?
No, the big one.
Oh yeah, the big one.
I find the big. my arms were aching quite a bit. I had to keep swapping it over. I said to Mummy halfway through, I should have, well, no, I said to Alex on next to you and I, that I should have swapped over Isabel's for a smaller one. But you're just strong. But no, it was good though, wasn't it? It was a good little ride, wasn't it? I think we're going to have a look around the little Minions bit now and maybe go on Rip Ride Rocket because Mummy's desperate to go on it. We're just coming up to the little Minions bit, aren't we, Mummy, after the ride? And who have you spotted down there? The Minions. Right, so we're just going to got time for Rip Ride Rocket, haven't we? Got to wait about 10 minutes. And Isabel, you were waiting with Mummy and Madison, weren't you? In the Minions area. What did you think of it? It's a really cool little area, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And what did Mummy take a picture of you doing with the Minions? Painting, weren't you?
Yeah.
And what are we going to go up to now and get a ride for? A time for, ride for? What ride?
Jimmy Fallon.
Jimmy Fallon. You love this one, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, just done Rip Ride Rocket, haven't we? I had to have Limp Biscuit rolling. What did you have, Nana?
Lucy and the Sunshine Band. That's the way I like it.
What did you have, Riley?
Rolling.
Rolling by Limp Biscuit, didn't you? Poor bloke next to me. I think he got a bit of a shock when I started screaming halfway round straight away, screaming from the start. But I do like that ride.
Yeah, I really like
Just free ran quite a bit though, doesn't it?
It does.
And it
yeah.
pins your head. If your head goes forward, it ends up pinning your head forward. So
Yeah.
we're gonna now go up and get on Jimmy Fallon, aren't we?
And featuring the legendary Roots Crew. Universal Studios! And now, here he is, Jimmy
Right, well, we were going to go on Jimmy Fallon, weren't we, Madison? But Madison's just a tiny little bit too small for it at the minute, aren't you? Only about 1 centimetre under. So Nana came off there with Madison, but I quickly caught up with you. And when we were waiting to come out the Jimmy Fallon shop, Madison spotted some. What did you spot, Nana? Madison, that you really like the look of.
Lollipop.
Lollipop, didn't you? And you got a little bit upset because you wanted the lollipop. But Daddy didn't have any money on me. So the lady that worked there, she came over and said, what's your name? You said Madison. She said, what lolly would you like, Madison? And do you want to show which one she gave you? She gave you this lolly, didn't she?
Yeah.
It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's blue and white.
It's blue and white, isn't it? She gave you a lolly, which was really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Gonna try it? What's it like?
Blue.
It's blue. What does it taste like?
It's blueberry.
It's blueberry. Looks lovely, doesn't it? I think now we're going to go... I think we're going to go down to Minions, aren't we, after? Not the one that we just did earlier, the other Minions ride, aren't we?
Yeah.
You looking forward to that one?
Yeah.
Come on then. Madison, who's that? Over there.
Oh, that one's fun too.
Which one was it again, Mom? Was it one of the shooting games?
I like it too.
Oh. Yeah, no, just... Ah, look at it. Look at that. Ah, let's go back in for another cuddle. Gonna give a high five, Madison? Aww. Do you want to go and say hello, Isabel? You want to say hello, Isabel? Oh. Say bye-bye, Isabel. Oh, thank you. What did you say, Madison? What did you say? You say that was nice day meeting the panda, wasn't it? Another one, because you saw one with Nana, didn't you? You got some pictures of him, didn't you? Should we go down to the Minions ride? Come on then.
Right, so us three, we've just got off Jimmy Fallon, haven't we?
Yeah.
In the end, Madison wasn't tall enough, was she? She was tall enough on the outside, on the wooden one, but then the other one, she wasn't quite tall enough. So, Nana and Daddy took her off. And by the sounds of it, she got a great deal out of it, because she got a lolly for free, didn't she? But what did you think of Jimmy Fallon?
Yeah, it's really good.
Is it as good as you remember?
Yeah.
You really like that ride, don't you, Isabel? Yeah. What's your favourite part? What's your favourite part, Riley?
Not sure really.
Oh, you guys. Are you jet lagged? You just come off it.
Just only a little bit.
But it's a good ride though, isn't it?
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to find out what we're going to do now?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right, we just had a little ride on Jimmy Fallon, didn't you? We're going to head down to the Minions ride now, aren't we? Because Madison can definitely go on that one. She can't go on the bit where it throws you around everywhere, but I like to sit at the front with her and just don't get chucked around then, do you? Should we go on the Minions ride, Madison? She's got a blue moustache now, isn't she? Isabel's having a go at it now. Right, well, Mummy, we're just in the line for Minions, aren't we?
Yeah.
Luckily undercover. Absolutely hammering it down, isn't it? Wasn't meant to rain, was it? It's quite nice though, isn't it? Because it's cooled it down, isn't it? Well, you're a bit close to the edge, aren't you? Isabel was not happy. She said, why is it raining so much? And I said, at least it's cooled it down, isn't it, a little bit? But you can't really see it too well, can you? But yeah. No, as you can see, they're all running for it.
But tell the Fario, add more dynamite. I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear that. Anyway, yes. Ignore them. Not now.
Don't be scared, girl. He's just a
Thank you.
Gonna say bye-bye.
Come on then.
You did wave.
Right, just had a ride on the Minions. Still raining lots, isn't it? We thought there's no point waiting around, so we're going to try and head up to the Mummy and try and get Isabel's first ride of the Mummy, aren't we? Madison's enjoying it. Look at her cupping her hands out. She was loving it waiting in the queue line to Minions, wasn't she? Getting all the splashes of water, but it's still raining quite a bit. Quite a lot. Go on, Mummy! Come to Florida for the sun, they said. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Oh. Jesus. We're going to try and make it down a board. Absolutely lashing it down. There's puddles everywhere. Look at it. Right, we just made a crazy mad dash down to the Bourne, haven't we? It starts in a minute. Have you been in rain like that before? It's raining loads, isn't it? Yeah, it's going to go to the Bourne show. We're all going to wear our fancy ponchos and hopefully drip dry and hopefully a little bit better by the time we come out, won't it? But right, we've just come out the Bourne show, but more importantly, it's stopped raining, hasn't it? Sadly, we're all absolutely soaked, so our shoes are absolutely soaked, but at least it's not raining now, which is good. We love that Bourne show, don't we? Isabel, what did you think of that Bourne show? Yeah? It's a bit noisy at times for you, isn't it? Yeah, it's very noisy, but it's really good. Did you like it, Riley? Yeah? Madison, as usual, thinks she's part of it, doesn't she? Yeah. When the explosions are going off, she's covering her ears. As soon as it stops, she starts shooting people and pretending to fight. Don't you, Madison? Madison? What did you think of that? Madison, what did you think of that? It was good? Yeah. So, what are we doing now, Mummy? Plan for Margaritaville in an hour and a half. What are we going to do instead? Oh, an hour, isn't it? Yeah. We're going to nip back and get changed. Yeah. Quite soggy. And we like Margaritaville, don't we? So we're going to go back, get changed. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to go back, get changed. Then come back in, go to Margaritaville, and then hopefully we're going to go swimming. What's it? Deep thought there, Riley.
Just deep.
Yeah. And then go back and go swimming after Margaritaville, aren't we? Yeah. Isabel? How's your day been then? You had a nice day so far? Yeah? And what did you think of the mummy? What did you say? It was a little intense, didn't you? But you tried it, didn't you? You liked it, but you said you just would like to try it another time again, didn't you? Because it made you keep coming off your seat, didn't it?
Got it.
Right, here we are looking like drowned rats, aren't we? We're just waiting for the bus. What bus do you think we're going to get, Mummy? Harry Potter? Well, we got here and no one was here, was it? So hopefully, there's a few more people here now, so hopefully it'll be quite quick, won't it? Because how long until we got Margaritaville? We will see. Right, we're all changed, aren't we, Riley? All ready to go? Isabel's looking absolutely beautiful in her dress, aren't you? And the ladies have got their dresses on, haven't you? Yeah, that's what I said. She's got hers on. And we're going to quickly rush because we've got 10 minutes to get to Margaritaville, haven't we? Right, just got off the bus, haven't we? Now we've got a mad rush to Margaritaville, haven't we? Got a mad rush to Margaritaville now, haven't we? Because we should have been there 2 minutes ago. But Riley's picked what he's going to have. What are you going to have, Riley?
I'm gonna have a cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Sweet potato fries.
Oh, you've grown something, Riley.
Yes.
Cheeseburger and sweet potato fries. What are you going to have, Isabel?
The pasta from Margaritaville.
The pasta. And I'm hoping to persuade Nana to get the nachos because I love the nachos, but you can't eat by yourself, you have to share. So, and what are you going to have, Mummy? Any idea? Mummy's going to end up holding us up. We should have had a look before so we can order straight away. And you're going to hold us up, aren't you?
Yes, that's right.
Right, we made it in, and where are we going, Isabel? To, where are we going? Margaritaville. Right, we made it into Margaritaville. We've sat in a lovely little area here. Got a nice booth to ourselves. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're in a boat, not a booth. A boat. Got the flags up, haven't we? And we are all very, very hungry now. Oh yeah. Madison got herself a shark hatch balloon, which is really, really cool. What did you get, Isabel? Isabel's got a big sword. Oh, it's a lightweight sword. And what did you get, Riley? Oh, you got a sword as well? Yeah, we're all very, very hungry now, aren't we? Waiting for our food. Riley said he's... What did you say? You're going to pass out soon, aren't you, from hunger? Right, food has arrived. Isabel, Madison, what have you got? Cheeseburger and... chippies. Isabel, what have you got? You've already started? Pasta, yummy. What have you got, Riley?
I've got a burger
Yeah.
and some potato fries.
Oh, sweet potato fries, lovely. What have you got, Mummy?
I've got fish tacos with rice and fat beans.
Very nice, a little side of coleslaw. And me and Nana have got,
Volcano Bay.
look at that monster. Wow, look at that. That is huge. Right, Isabel, you've already tucked it in, but Mummy's tucked in as well. Let's tuck in. Right, we're back, aren't we? All a bit worse for wear. All very full. Yeah. No, we're all just scattering around, trying to keep an eye on everyone. Everyone's just... Yeah. Oh. Go on, Riley, you go with her then. Go on, Riley. Quickly. Otherwise she'll get upset. Yeah, just came and all scattered everywhere, didn't we? Yeah, a bit like what? Yeah. Look at Isabel. That is a woman on a mission. With her sword, yes. Sword in her hand and off she goes.
Now down here for a lot now.
I don't know where they've gone. Somewhere around there. Oh, there's one. There's the other one. Well, me, Nana, and Isabel. We've just nipped up to get our drinks, haven't we? Nana's picked up Riley's and her own. Yeah. Isabel's got yours, haven't you? And I've got mine and Mummy's. What drink you fancy, Nana?
I'm going to have a coffee.
Oh, I'm going to have a coffee. Very nice. What are you going to have, Isabel?
Cherry Sprite.
Cherry Sprite, that's your new favourite, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice because it's not fizzy, is it?
Yeah.
It's good. Right, let's go down and see what havoc Riley and Madison have caused down there.
Right, so we're back now from Margaritaville. We had a top up of our drinks, didn't we, before coming back up?
Yeah, went there, got some drinks.
Yeah, and now we are all changed and ready for bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only about 9:30, but it has been a long day.
Yeah, it's been a different day as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, and with like the time difference and things kicking in. Me and Madison's.
Been up early.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been
really
a
well, haven't they?
yeah, it's been a long day, hasn't it, Isabel? Yeah, you ready for bed now? Yeah. So, what was your favourite part of your day today? The new Minions ride.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Yeah, I like that too. You like the other Minions ride? Yeah, was that good? It's lots of fun, isn't it? And you said a quick hello to a Minion on the way. On the way out, didn't you? Yeah. What was your favourite part today, Daddy?
I don't know, the mummy was good. I do like mummy. Yeah, it was good. But it was good fun today. No, it sounds silly, but in the rain.
Yeah, it was.
Funny, wasn't it?
It was. I mean, if we were caught in that on holiday at home.
Well, you wouldn't go out the house, would you?
I know, but I'd be fuming.
Yeah, you'd be very happy, would you? But
No.
It was funny. We were running through it, absolutely soaked.
Yeah.
But then by the time we got out board, it was nice and dry.
Yeah.
We had a lovely meal at Margaritaville.
Yes, I
didn't
was going to say that's probably my favourite part
Yeah.
today. It was nice.
Yeah.
Very nice there.
I
You
did-
did have a burger, that's right. Did you like it?
Yeah.
You did like it. You ate most of it.
Did you like the burger, Madison?
Yeah.
I like pasta.
You liked your pasta.
And I don't know how me and Nana managed to get through the whole of them nachos.
Yeah.
Will not be defeated.
No,
but
absolutely
we
not.
had to waddle home.
Yeah. Riley loved his, didn't he? His,
Yeah.
his sweet potato
Really
fries.
enjoyed it. How was your tacos?
Fantastic. I would
Yeah.
highly recommend. Oh, thank you for that, Madison. Yeah, the fish tacos are really good.
Yeah. It's a nice day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a nice day. Yeah. Yeah, and we're
We're going to try and get in
Ready for
early
bed?
tomorrow morning, so I think it's meant to rain in the evening tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and get in tomorrow morning,
yeah.
nice and early.
So we are going to leave this vlog here and go off to bed. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.